Hello, my Desi Global Queens over there. So I hope you missed me because I miss you a lot. पता है क्यों? Because ना एक कनेक्शन सा बन गया आपके साथ और जब तक गॉसिप ना करूं मेरी कॉफी हजम नहीं होती. So आज का टॉपिक रहेगा Confidence is the ultimate makeover. Today we are spilling coffee. We are not spilling coffee kind of coffee. We are spilling like icy kind of, which will makes you laugh, nod, or sometimes you will say, "Hey, wait, that's me." Apparently, some people decided to criticize me, mock me, judge me, and they have decided that to criticize me is their full-time job, and it was too unfair. Means what kind of mentality people have these days, okay? The experts of perfect features, perfect hair, glowing skin, and perfect smile have decided to criticize me for each and every existence of mine on this sacred earth. So, I will tell you the full story. So, let's start with my hairs. According to that person, my hairs are too short to be styled and they're too rebellious, untamed, and definitely not runway or Instagram or picture perfect ready, okay? And I'm not complaining about because I owe each and every flaws of mine, but still they have decided to criticize my entire existence with their small thinking, choti soch. So let me tell you one thing, my hairs has their own personality and they will not listen to you until you are sitting at home. Then they are perfectly lupine, but when I step out of my house, they switch their personality. I think they have some personality disorder, and same thing the so-called critics tell me about because they were not able to style them, and I am perfectly okay with it because I call them natural air conditioning or natural hair conditioning. But let me tell you the fact, my messy hair saved me so many times than the perfect blow dry ever could, and I just respect my hairs, okay? Means I just owe all of this messy look and everything. So this is my crown and I'm the queen. They won't stop there. They come to my skin. It's textured and my complexion is not even. I have open pores, I have pimples, and it's also dull. As if I was hired by the sun and failed to switch on the light every day. Sorry, but last time I checked, natural glow wasn't a battery operated feature. It's God given. And you can improve it by the makeup. Then, most important thing, feature budget. My features, they are also bad according to that person, and apparently drafted during the budget allocation meeting that was running out of funds. Imagine that. Means somewhere up there angels were like, sorry, we overspent on your eyebrows, so we discounted your nose or downgrade your nose. No, and my nose is not good. I know, but still. And of course, the grand finale, my tip. Or you should say gaps in my teeth. But let me tell you the story starts from here. There is a twist in this story, okay? So I took all this thing very sportingly. I am not good with my hairs, my complexion is bad, I am black, I'm dusky, my complexion is not even, I have my open pores, my nose is slightly twisted, my features are not good for the makeup, my kids have some gaps and everything. I took it very sportingly. And then I entered in a beauty contest. And you imagine I entered in a beauty contest. I was not looking for the validation, it was for me. Because it was my childhood dream to enter in a beauty contest and to walk on that ramp. After listening all these things, guess what happened? You must be thinking I fall, I cry, or someone insulted me or anything else like that. But ladies, it's not going to happen. It is not at all going to happen. No one can doom or play with my confidence, okay? So, what happened that day is the twist in the plot. It was not just an award, the sweetest victory of my life, proving that the real beauty isn't in a perfection and the joy is impossible to fake. I won the best smile. And you imagine, I won the best smile award. That person tried to break my confidence because that person can't vibrate on the same frequency as I am. And let me explain you, that was not gap in a tits, it's a gap in a kindness which I have and that person doesn't have. And here is what the jealous people don't get, that confidence is not a filter, or you can't buy it. This is because the kindness glows brighter than the highlighters. Joy is most expensive beauty product you can ever wear. When someone talk about your flaws and criticize your appearance or your existence, just remember one thing: they are not talking about you. They are talking about the emptiness which they are feeling inside them. It's about energy. That is the key of confidence. Just be yourself. It's not about who is talking what about you. It's almost like what you are thinking about yourself. On that particular occasion, I felt like that thing I won was not for best hairs or best makeup or best costume, because if I won that kind of award, it must be belonging to the artist who are behind it. And despite everything that person did that day to just break my confidence, despite all this negativity, I was able to walk away with a crown for best smile. It was a polite slap. All those jealous little souls existing in my life just demean my personality or my existence, because while they were nitpicking, I was out there doing the things they will never do. Despite all the money and resources they have in their lives, can't do all these things which I am doing right now. And this is my USP, be God-given gift, and I have so much gratitude that I'm able to do all these things. So ladies, I just wanted to tell you only one thing: just focus on yourself and repeat this mantra after me. Laugh at critics. Say it loud. Laugh at critics. And somewhere they are jealous of you, that's why they are criticizing. So laugh at your critics. Smile like it's your superpower. Smile with your open heart. One can beat your energy. Positive, especially positive energy. Surround yourself with self-love. Don't go for validations from anyone. Just self-love, no self-doubts. So remember these 3 mantras, okay? Person who thinks maybe you don't have good features or good skin tone, or skin tone is a little bit darker, or you don't have even skin tone, or your hairs are too short or too thin or too curly to style up, creative, and say them thank you for giving you the ammunition to give this speech on the confidence. Here is the thing: chin up, smile, and move on, and repeat after me that my life is beautiful and imperfectly perfect. Negativity, negative people, you are fired. You don't need to do this job because you are waste of time and energy. So let's raise the mug of coffee, toast to the life, love, laughter, winning with the confidence, and smile at a time, and give you, cheer you, or switch the negative atmosphere into the positive. Go on beauties, stay fabulous, pretty, funny, sarcastic. Remember, you are already enough. Maybe, just maybe, smile is about to win the world. So, we will meet in another session with the same kind of storytelling thing. Hope you like this story, and you can see my pictures on my Instagram of the contest. And I know I was not looking that much great, or I don't have that kind of perfect looks. Yes, I want that. So, out and मिलेंगे next vlog में. तब तक के लिए bye bye. Have a nice day, and you are queens shining like a star.